Here in my garage, I have a beautiful vacuum cleaner. Hello guys, Jeff Gallery here. So I was so impressed that a video I uploaded on YouTube 8 years ago got to 100k view. So to thank you, I decide, since I still have my vacuum cleaner, to do a follow-up review. So here is the Dyson VC05. So why is it in my garage? Because I don't have a Lamborghini and I don't have bookshelves. So I have a beautiful vacuum cleaner. So the DC05, I bought it 8 years ago. It was the first vacuum cleaner I purchased of my life. Yes, it was expensive, but at the time I was a high flyer and I got a $500 discount on that vacuum cleaner. So it cost me about $125. But believe it or not, 8 years later, it's still working and in very good shape. Why is it in my garage? The honest answer is that because I purchased a brand new house, and in that house I had a central vacuum cleaner, so I didn't need the Dyson anymore. But I don't have a shop vac. I know shop vac are usually better for the garage, but I had a Dyson VC05, so I decided that I would use it as a shop vac, a shop vac, a shop vac, a shop vac. So, if you ask me, the DC05 is a pretty good shop vac vacuum to use in a garage or basement or somewhere you don't have access to a central vacuum cleaner or whatever the deal is. But this vacuum cleaner is so great in a garage because look at the footprint of that. It's very small, very convenient, very easy to leave on the floor somewhere in a corner in the garage, and when you need it, my God, it's great. Let me show that to you right now. So, while this vacuum cleaner cannot handle wet stuff, it can sure handle dry stuff. And let me test that for you out. So what's better than some grass and dirt like that? Then we get the Dyson DC05 ready to pick up. Dyson, I love you! One of the strongest points for Dyson, the DC05, and I guess most Dyson, is that they don't use any filter for the bin. So it's very easy and convenient to empty out. Let me show you. Take that part here, and you empty it. So when you're done, you simply put it back in place, just like that. So let's pretend you want to vacuum the inside of your car. Now let's pretend that you want to vacuum something very high up. Now let's pretend that here in my garage I have a lot of bookshelves with a lot of books, because the most important thing is to read one book every day. I read a book today. Dyson. So now let's pretend it's time to give you an honest opinion. 8 years old vacuum cleaner. It's been working very nicely for me. I've been using it 6 years weekly, then 2 years in my garage here as a shop vac. A shop vac, a shop vac, a shop vac, a shop vac. And honestly, I have no complaint to do at all. The footprint is very small. The vacuum cleaner sucks a lot. There's no filter, easy to handle, easy to do pretty much anything you need to do except wet stuff.